Hello, Algebra 2 students. We're starting Chapter 3 with solving systems of equations, graphically and algebraically. You've probably done this before in Algebra 1, so this is a good refresher. So we're going to start off with graphing systems of equations. A system is where we have two equations, and we're trying to find that point of intersection, and that will be the solution. So let's solve this one by graphing. So if we were going to graph, we would actually solve for y, and then we have, let's see, when we solve for y over here for this one, we have y equals, it'll be 2x plus 1. And then this one here, we have y equals a negative 5/2 x minus 8. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure that you get those answers when you solve for y. So you can use your graphing calculator if you want to. I'm going to graph these by hand. So we start at the x-intercept, which is 1, and our slope is a positive 2, so we go up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, or down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. And then we're going to make our line through that. Here. Oops, and I did not want that line. Oh well. I'll just make little arrows here. Okay, and the next one we're starting at a negative 8, which is right here, and we could go down 5 to the right 2, or up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left 2. Hey, and there's a point of intersection. What do you know? That is awesome. So let me see here. So when we graph this line, here's the point of intersection. And so that will be our answer. So this point of intersection is -2, -3, so that is our solution. So another way to graph, or excuse me, when we talk about graphs here, a system is consistent, and here's just some vocabulary, is consistent if it has at least one solution. So that last one was consistent, and inconsistent if it has no solutions. It has exactly one solution is independent, and if it has an infinite number of solutions, it is dependent. So there's some examples for you. So here, this one is, so this one shows the lines intersect at one point here. So there's one solution, so it's consistent and independent. And I'll write that down. So this one would be consistent and independent. And this one here is the same line. And so the system would be consistent and dependent because there is an infinite number of solutions. So it would be consistent and dependent because it has at least one solution and there's infinitely many. Alright, so some vocabulary there for you. Now when we, oh, and here's some visuals for you as well. And I think I'm going to call it a video here. I'm going to end the video and I'm going to actually do part 2 for the solve equations, systems of equations algebraically, because that takes a little bit longer. All right, thanks guys.